Getting started in the world of e-commerce may be a thrilling experience with many chances for success. Even so, it's important to proceed cautiously since the internet industry has its own unique collection of difficulties and dangers. All e-commerce business owners, from young startups to seasoned pros, are prone to typical errors that may impede development and derail goals. In this insightful video series, we'll delve into the most prevalent missteps encountered in e-commerce ventures, offering valuable insights and practical strategies to help you navigate this dynamic landscape with confidence and resilience. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Ignoring market research. Error: entering the e-commerce space without carrying out adequate market research. Why this is an issue? If you offer a product or service that no one needs or wants, you run the danger of failing to comprehend your target market, rivals, and industry trends. Resolution: to determine customer preferences, market demand, the competitive environment, and potential for differentiation, devote time and money to market research. Before launching, use resources like Google Trends, market analyses, and consumer surveys to get feedback and verify your company concept. Choosing the wrong e-commerce platform. Error: choosing an e-commerce platform without taking into account the scalability, customization, and demands of your organization. Why this is an issue? Selecting the incorrect platform might hinder your capacity to integrate key features and capabilities, grow your website, or personalize it. Resolution: consider aspects like pricing, scalability, customization possibilities, payment methods, security, and customer support when comparing various e-commerce platforms. Select a platform that offers the capabilities and flexibility you want to achieve your company objectives. Neglecting website optimization. Error: not optimizing the speed, user experience, and search engine visibility of your e-commerce website. Why this is an issue? Websites with inadequate optimization may see a decline in sales and income due to high bounce rates, low conversion rates, and bad search engine rankings. Resolution: make sure that your website is mobile responsive, fast, has easy-to-use navigation, and is visually appealing. Use on-page SEO techniques to increase search engine exposure and draw in organic visitors, such as meta tag optimization, picture optimization, and keyword optimization. Keep an eye on the performance indicators of your website and update as necessary to improve user experience and conversion rates. Underestimating the importance of product descriptions and imagery. Error: utilizing poor quality photos or giving insufficient product descriptions. Why this is an issue? Customers may find it difficult to grasp your items due to poor product descriptions and visuals, which might result in distrust, confusion, and a decline in sales. Resolution: invest in top-notch product photography that presents your items from many perspectives and offers lucid, comprehensive descriptions that emphasize features, advantages, and details. To successfully engage consumers and resolve their questions, concerns, and objections, use persuasive copywriting tactics. Ignoring customer feedback and reviews. Error: ignoring reviews and comments from customers or not quickly responding to their questions and grievances. Why this is an issue? Disregarding comments from clients may harm your brand, undermine confidence, and lead to a decline in sales and clientele. Resolution: engage in active consumer feedback gathering via social media, reviews, and polls. Keep an eye on ratings and reviews posted online at sites like Google, Yelp, and Trustpilot, and reply to comments, both good and bad, as soon as possible. Utilize client feedback to show your dedication to achieving customer happiness and to enhance your offerings in terms of goods, services, and customer experience. Overlooking mobile commerce, m-commerce. Error: ignoring the increasing number of mobile buyers in favor of concentrating just on desktop users. Why this is an issue? Because more people are making purchases on mobile devices, you risk losing sales and money if your e-commerce website isn't optimized for mobile customers. Solution: Make sure your online store is responsive to mobile devices and offers a consistent purchasing experience on various screens. Optimize website load speeds for mobile customers, simplify checkout procedures, and make navigating easier. Use mobile-friendly payment methods, such as one-click checkout and mobile wallets, to improve the usability and convenience of your mobile customers. Inadequate security measures. Error: neglecting cybersecurity risks and neglecting to put strong security measures in place to safeguard consumer information and transactions. Why this is an issue: financial losses, reputational harm, and lost client information are all possible outcomes of data breaches and security flaws. Resolution: employ strong password policies, update software and security updates often, invest in firewall protection, and employ malware detection technologies to safeguard data transfer. To protect consumer privacy and maintain regulatory compliance, abide by industry rules such as the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Lack of customer service and support. Error: not offering sufficient customer help channels or delivering poor quality customer assistance. Why this is an issue: negative customer feedback, a decline in client loyalty, and missed sales opportunities may all be caused by poor customer service. Resolution: provide a variety of customer service channels, such as social media, phone assistance, live chat, and email. Customer service workers should get training on how to respond to questions, handle problems, and provide prompt, individualized support to clients. Put the needs of your customers first and work hard to surpass their expectations at all points of contact. Ignoring data analytics and insights. Error: not monitoring and evaluating performance information and e-commerce metrics. Why this is an issue: making educated company choices, identifying areas for improvement, and optimizing marketing tactics are difficult without data-driven insights. Resolution: track important variables like website traffic, conversion rates, average order value, and customer demographics using web analytics solutions like Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics. Examine data to find trends, patterns, and areas that might be optimized. To improve your strategy and get the best results, A/B test various product offers, website components, and marketing techniques. Ineffective marketing and promotion. Making the mistake of promoting your e-commerce company just with organic traffic or with inefficient marketing strategies. Why this is an issue: poor marketing may have a negative impact on revenue, brand recognition, and exposure. Resolution: create a thorough marketing plan that makes use of a variety of digital marketing channels, including affiliate marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, influencer relationships, content marketing, and search engine optimization, SEO. Adapt your marketing strategies to successfully reach your target market, increase website traffic, and produce leads and sales. Poor inventory management. Mistake: failing to optimize inventory management processes or overstocking, understocking products. Why this is an issue: stockouts, increased inventory expenses, and lost sales opportunities may result from ineffective inventory management. Resolution: use inventory management software to estimate demand, keep an eye on stock levels, and automate reordering procedures. To determine slow-moving inventories, fast-moving items, and consumer demand patterns, use data analytics. To maximize inventory turnover and reduce stockouts, establish inventory replenishment processes, determine safety stock levels, and bargain for advantageous terms with suppliers. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.